Every second, hundreds of packages move through this building, but most of them are no longer touched by human hands. Inside Amazon's newest fulfillment centers, robots now outnumber people. Thousands of autonomous machines glide across warehouse floors, lifting, sorting, scanning, transporting. And what's happening inside these walls may quietly reshape the future of work. This is the new era of manufacturing, and it's only the beginning. How it used to work just 2 decades ago, warehouse logistics looked very different. Human workers walked miles each day across massive storage floors, searching for products, lifting heavy packages, scanning items manually. The system worked, but it was slow, physically demanding, and increasingly inefficient in a world that expects same-day delivery. As online shopping exploded, companies faced a simple question. How do you move millions of products faster without multiplying human labor at the same rate? The robot takeover, the answer began with automation. Amazon acquired robotics companies and began redesigning the warehouse itself. Instead of humans walking to shelves, shelves now come to humans. Autonomous mobile robots navigate warehouse floors using sensors and AI mapping systems. Robotic arms identify products using computer vision. Conveyor systems route packages with precision timing measured in seconds. Today, in some facilities, thousands of robots operate simultaneously, coordinating movements through artificial intelligence systems that continuously optimize efficiency. The result? Faster fulfillment, fewer delays, and dramatically higher output. Human plus machine collaboration. But this isn't a factory with no people. Humans are still here. Engineers maintain systems. Technicians oversee robotic fleets. Workers manage quality control and complex problem-solving tasks. The relationship is shifting. Instead of replacing every worker, automation is redefining roles. The physical strain of walking miles daily is reduced, but new skills are required. Technical oversight, troubleshooting, machine interaction. The warehouse is no longer just a storage space. It is a synchronized ecosystem of humans and intelligent machines. Why this matters: efficiency at this scale changes more than delivery speed. It reshapes supply chains. It influences labor markets. It alters how cities are structured around logistics hubs. When robots can operate 24 hours a day without fatigue, production timelines compress. Same-day shipping becomes standard. Consumer expectations shift. And once expectations shift, industries must adapt. The future of work. The bigger question isn't whether robots are present, it's how deeply integrated they will become. As artificial intelligence improves, warehouse systems may handle more complex decision-making, predictive inventory management, autonomous loading and unloading, self-repair diagnostics. The warehouse of the future may look less like a workplace and more like a coordinated machine. Balanced perspective. Automation brings undeniable efficiency, but it also raises questions. How do labor markets evolve? What new roles emerge? And how do societies prepare for a future where intelligent machines handle increasing portions of physical production? The answer is still unfolding. Inside these warehouses, the future isn't coming. It's already operational. Robots now move faster than ever. Algorithms coordinate thousands of decisions per minute. And the balance between human and machine continues to shift. This isn't just about packages. It's about how civilization builds, moves, and delivers everything we depend on. And this transformation has only just begun.